Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the text box outline or frame. So basically now we will need to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Now I'm going to create a new text box, and here I will, as you can see now, we can see the blue outline or what we call the frame of our text box. I'm going just to fill it with a placeholder text so you can see the frame of our text. Now we want to get rid of our blue outline here, and to do so we can simply just go to the view menu and search for an option to remove the frames. So basically we will go to the view menu and search for extras. If we go down, we'll find the extra here, and as you can see, there is the hide frame edges as the first option, and you just click on it, and now you can see that the frames are not showing, or the outline of the box is not showing now. If you want to remove it with another way, you can just use a shortcut by clicking on Ctrl plus H, and you will have your frame that will be appearing and disappearing however you want with this option. So basically this is the way. You need just to go to the view menu and search for extras and click on hide frame edges. So simply that is the method. Thank you for watching and see you next time.